The importance of finding yourself a good wingman early on in your development while learning cold approach. Now, listen, I understand not everyone has access to a wingman or has access to friends that are going to be actively going out or even open-minded enough to learn this particular skill set. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a literal step-by-step guide on how to find high quality, reliable wingmen. But then also I want to have just a brief discussion about why it is so important if you can get yourself the opportunity to link up with someone else and actually learn these skills. Now, for me, when I first started learning cold approach pickup, luckily for me, I manifested Ben into my life when I first started learning. And for me, this actually allowed me to learn 10 times faster because one, as you're going through the roller coaster of the adversity that naturally comes while learning cold approach, the rejections, the reference experiences, the late nights, the chaotic environments, the different people that you're meeting, it was nice to have that love and support from someone else that was going through the exact same thing. And when you can actually bro down and go out together and keep each other motivated and stay disciplined and consistent and also keep each other accountable, you're more likely to actually put in the reps and put in the amount of work that's necessary to get good. I was very lucky to manifest Ben into my life at the very beginning stages of my journey. One of the really cool things while learning is when you're with your wingman, usually one of you will be doing better than the other throughout the learning process. So one guy will be absolutely killing it, building a bunch of different reference experiences, pushing the comfort zone, learning new skills, while you might be staggering a little bit and just like falling back, getting rejected a little bit more, you're a little bit more attached to the outcome, the results aren't coming in as fast for your wingman, but that's fine because during this process with the wingman that you've actually brought into your life, what can happen is he can then share those reference experiences with you, and even though you might be going through a rough period, he can still help support you through that journey and you can still learn 10 times faster. And then what's going to happen is then usually what will happen, your wingman will then start to slow down in terms of his progression and all of a sudden you'll take off, build more references, start having more results, start having some really cool experiences and you'll start killing it. And then what you can do is then support him whilst he's going through that period of stagnation. And that's great. That's what's happened to me and Ben for years. Watching him do really well is actually a gift for me, and watching me do really well is a gift for him, and we learn together. It's like teamwork. So there's nothing better than finding yourself a high quality wingman. Now, something else that you can do that's really cool too, your wingman can see that you're doing specific things that maybe you're not consciously aware of. So after every interaction or after a night out or after a session, when you're learning these things, you can come back to your wingman and your wingman might be like, hey man, you need to work on your conversational skills. Hey man, your sub communications or body language was slightly off. I think you should improve on this. And you guys can together as a team pick out each other's sticking points and actually help each other get to the next level, which is absolutely amazing. There is nothing better than having a quality wingman or having other like-minded friends together working on this particular skill. Now, how in the world do you go out there and find yourself high quality wingman or motivated friends that are going to go out and work on a very similar skill? Because it is niche. I understand that not everyone is even aware of the fact that you can actually work on success with women as a skill. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide now on the most easiest way to get access to wings. First step, my friends, there's a website called Game Global. I'm going to put the URL in the video now. Game Global is by far the best platform to find other like-minded guys that are learning cold approach pickup, game, success with women, and self-development. I am so grateful for Ice White for putting this platform together because I've never seen anything else like it in the world. Basically, what's going to happen is you're going to type in the URL into Google. You're going to jump on the website. It's going to give you every single country on the planet. And then those countries are also going to have the biggest, most populated cities where the majority of the other pickup dudes or guys learning self-development are actually active, and they're going to be inside a secret Telegram chat. Now, when you click on the website and you go down to your country and your city of preference or the one that you're living in, you can then click on the Telegram chat. You then enter the Telegram. Within that Telegram chat, roughly, there should be anywhere between 10 to 50 other like-minded active guys all going out there and working on cold approach. Now, what I recommend is you do this. Write a message saying this in the first Telegram chat when you get access to it. Hey guys, my name's Bob. I'm XYZ age. I'm from XYZ country or state, and I'm new to self-development or I'm new to learning cold approach. I'm looking for a reliable and motivated wingman to actively go out with over the coming months. Is anyone keen to go out for a session? That's all you have to say. And usually for me, I've had reference experiences this even for myself as I travel the world and I want to find other like-minded guys. I find that most people will have the tendency to reach out and actually slide into your Telegram DMs, have a short conversation with that guy, go out and have a session together. That's probably the best way to get access to high quality wings that are in the exact same niche in terms of learning self-development, success with women, and cold approach. Now, alternative to this, because there are going to be some countries and some cities, this is not going to be relevant because Game Global only has a certain amount of resources and places where there's active guys learning these skills. So if you're one of those unlucky or unfortunate guys that don't have access to this, the next step is we can use Facebook groups. If you jump onto Facebook and you go into the search bar in the group section and you look up dating coach, self-development, men's self-development, game, pickup artist, cold approach pickup, you type in things like this, like keywords, you should find a variety of different cold approach and self-development groups with other like-minded active guys as well. Join every single one of those groups. As you gain access to those groups, once you get approved for that, just literally write up a post saying the exact same thing that you did for the Telegram. Hey guys, my name is Bob. I'm 24. I'm from XYZ country, from XYZ city. I'm looking for a reliable wingman to go out with consistently over the coming months. Is anyone keen for a session? That's all you have to say. Put it on the groups. Put your feelers out there, reach out to the community, and I'm sure that someone will slide into your DMs and be keen to go out with you. Now, if these strategies don't work, we have to come up with alternative options. And this is what I would recommend. If you're really keen to go out with a wingman and you don't necessarily want to have to go out by yourself, this is what I would do. Friends is the next best bet. Everyone within your network that's age appropriate, that's actively going out, that's single and wants to meet women, understand if they're a dude, they want to have dating success. They want to hook up with chicks. They want to have casual sex. They're looking for a girlfriend. They're looking for a connection. We're dudes. We can't help but be attracted to women. It's what we want. It's one of our primary biological drives. So all you have to do is just say to one of your friends, hey bro, I want to go out this weekend. Did you want to go out and have a few drinks, dance, maybe talk to a few girls? And your bro's probably going to be like, yeah man, that sounds fun. You don't even have to tell them necessarily that you're going out to do cold approach, but at least you have someone to give you a little bit of love and support and have a bit of camaraderie when you go out, when you're learning these skills. It's very important that you have this because sometimes it can be very difficult when you're going out solo and you first start learning. Now, if you reach out to a variety of different friends, I'm sure there should be many opportunities that you can actually go out, put yourself in social situations, go to house parties, go to clubs, go to bars, go to different events where you can go out and meet women and have your friends tag along with you. And the thing is, it's really cool. As you move through this course content, if you go out with friends, you're going to be getting better. You're going to be approaching, you're going to be more confident, your conversational skills are going to be better, girls are going to be laughing in your presence. And from the perception of your friends, you're going to be absolutely fucking killing it. And they're going to be like, dude, what is happening to you? What is different? And then maybe you can even introduce them to the concepts that we're teaching in this program to help, then also help him get better. And then you've got yourself a fucking sick wingman that's like-minded and is both working on these skill sets. Now, the final option for finding a wingman, and let's say again, the website that I've given you guys doesn't work. The Facebook groups don't work and you don't actually have a big social network in terms of a large group of friends or a couple of close friends that are keen to go out because maybe they're married or in relationships or just too busy with work, whatever it might be. This is the next step, going out solo. If you go out solo to like a nightclub or a bar, what I would recommend is learn the skills in this program. Learn how to be more confident, more charismatic, charming, be cool, calm, and collected. Just be a chill, normal motherfucker and use the stuff we teach in this program to make more friends and connect with new people. And what I would recommend is go to those environments by yourself solo with the sole purpose of finding a wingman or some boys or bros or some other guys that are keen to meet chicks. Now, what you can do is cold approach other dudes in that environment. Now, once you're in that conversation, using some of the conversational starters that we teach here in this program, once you've connected with them, bonded over football, gym, girls, porn, I don't fucking know, have a chat with some dudes, connect with them. And once you're bonded a little bit for like 5 to 10 minutes, you look at them and go, wait, boys, do any of you guys want to meet some fucking girls? There's some cuties here. And I promise you, every single dude that's in a bar or a club, the only reason why they're even in that environment is because they want to meet chicks. And they've been waiting for one of their buddies to like step up and take action. So they're going to be like, yeah, man, that'd be sick. But understand, they're average dudes. They've never learned cold approach pickup. They probably have approach anxiety. And the only time they can approach is that they get rat shit drunk. So what I would recommend, you take the lead. You say, dudes, do you guys want to meet some chicks? They say yes. You're like, sweet, let me approach. Then I'll bring you in. They're like, fuck yeah, sounds good. So now they get to sit there, have a few drinks, be lazy. You've offered value. You're obviously cool. Now you use the stuff that we teach in this program. You make the approaches. You meet the girls. You bring in your friends to wing. And you obviously get to pick the girl that you like. That's the really cool thing about this. You can throw the fatties or the less attractive ones onto the other dudes that you've just met. Perfect. Now you've found yourself in a situation where you've like artificially generated a wingman for the evening. And if you guys can bond on that, you could spend the rest of the evening with that dude, meeting different girls during that environment. Or maybe even create such a strong bond and you had such a good time with you, you can go out with him in future weekends as well. And this is also how you make friends. So that's my step-by-step guide on the best ways to go out and find wingmen. Let me know how you go. If you have any dramas, get in contact with me or Ben. We will try to help you to the best of our ability to support you in this endeavor, because finding a wingman is very important. My last note on this as well is, look guys, if you can't find a wing, it's not the end of the world. You can go out solo. You can be a lone wolf. You can still learn these skills. But to make the process easier, if you can find a wing, it would be recommended if you could. Cool guys, see you in the next video.